Hi everyone, hope all are doing great. Today's our topic is OOPS. OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming Synopsis. Object Oriented Programming in JavaScript. Object Oriented Programming is based on the following things: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, these are the four important pillars of Object Oriented Programming: encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. Before object-oriented programming, we had procedural programming that divide a program into set of functions. Okay. Before object-oriented programming, we had procedural programming that divide a program into set of functions. So we have data stored in a bunch of variables and functions. Okay. Data is stored in bunch of variables and functions that operate on a data. This type of programming is simple and straightforward. Okay, this type of programming is simple and straightforward. For example, C is a procedural programming language. It does not support object-oriented programming synopsis. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation, binding or combining related variables and functions as one unit. Practical class implements data encapsulation. Okay, binding or combining related variables and functions as one unit. Practical example is class. Let us check the diagram. See here, car. Car is a class. Model, design are the properties or variables. Move, start, stop are the functions or methods of a car. Okay, this is the example of encapsulation. Next, abstraction. Abstraction, hiding important or secured data is called data abstraction. Showing or exposing only necessary things to the end user. Okay, hiding important secured data is called data abstraction. Only showing or exposing necessary things to the end user. Okay, suppose we have a DVD player. Okay, if you press the play button, the song gets start playing. If you press the stop button, the song stops. Okay, we don't know the internal mechanism of the system. Okay, internal mechanism of the system is hide it from the end user. Okay, only required things are exposed to the end user. Here user is there, here object A and B. Okay, class private public, private A, public B. Only B is visible to the end user. A is hidden from the end user. Okay, inheritance. What is the meaning of inheritance? Creating a new entity based on an existing entity is called inheritance. Okay, creating a new class based on the existing class is called inheritance. Okay, parents class and child class. See, this is the parent class. Data 1, data 2 are the properties or variables present in the parent class. Eat, move are the methods or functions present in the parent class. This is the child class. The child class can inherit all the methods and properties from the parent class. The next, polymorphism. Polymorphism. Poly means many, morphism means forms. Many forms of a single object is called polymorphism. Examples are method overloading, method overriding. Polymorphism. Poly means many, morphism means forms. Many forms of a single entity or object is called polymorphism. Practical examples are method overloading and method overriding. What is the meaning of method overloading? Method overloading allows a class to define multiple methods with the same name but different signature. Okay, multiple methods can have the same name but different signature. See here, same class have multiple methods So different signature. Here method A, here method AB, here method ABC. These are the different signatures. Then next method overriding. In object-oriented programming language, overriding is a feature that allows a subclass or child class to provide a specific implementation of method that is already provided by the superclass or parent class. Okay. See, this is the superclass or parent class animals. Data 1, data 2 are the properties or variables. Move, eat are the methods or functions. Here dog is the child class or subclass. Data 3, data 4 are the properties or variables of class dog. Move, bark are the functions or methods present in the subclass or child class. Okay. This here move method is overriding method. This is overriding method. Some new features are implemented in this overriding method. Okay. I hope you understood this concept, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.